The NFT market is saturated. It seems like every single project is doing the same exact thing. And previously, I made a video on how to find NFTs early. But since I made that video, my views on the market have changed drastically. And in this video, I want to share them with you. Welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. In my previous video on how to find NFTs early, I covered the website Rarity.tools. And to summarize, it is a website that shows upcoming NFT sales and provides all of the important information that we need. The name of the project, the Discord, the Twitter, the website, the price, how many will be minted, and the launch date. And in that video, I went through multiple projects, and one that I covered was Dogs Unchained. It looked like a good project with potential. However, when I made that video, there was no launch date. It said to be determined. So in that video, what I also said is that when you find a project that you like, make sure to follow them on Twitter and also follow them on Discord so you know what's going on. And now over the last 3-4 days, I've had a few people message me or comment, what's going on with Dogs Unchained? When is the general mint? And the answer is there is no longer going to be a general mint. And this is because of gas wars. Right now, with all of the NFT frenzy, NFT mayhem, there's something known as gas wars. This is when so many people at the same time want to purchase a popular NFT at mint, and it causes gas prices to skyrocket, sometimes even more than the price of the NFT. Maybe the NFT is $50, $100 worth of Ethereum, and the gas fee is $100, $200, $300. And because of this, Dogs Unchained is not going to have a general mint open to everyone. Instead, they have a reservation system. And I do see that this is likely what we're going to see from other projects moving forward. Well, they'll have some sort of reservation system for the community, whether it's a quarter of the NFTs given through a reservation, half of them, or even all of them. And by doing this, they will save their users hundreds of thousands of dollars in wasted gas fees. And sadly, as I make this video, the deadline has already passed. And everyone's always saying to me, why didn't you let us know? Why didn't you let us know? I did let you guys know, right? Because in that video, I said you have to follow these projects on Twitter or Discord. You need to be in the community. So I'm doubling down in this video. You must, I repeat, you must make sure to follow any project that you are interested on Twitter and Discord. Early community members will be the ones that are rewarded. And in terms of these gas wars, a project that had a major problem was Stoner Cats. This is a project that was led by Ashton Kutcher and Mila Kunis. And right away, there was a red flag at the beginning. The mint price for these NFTs was 0.35 Ethereum. This is pretty high for a mint price. In my earlier video, we spoke about how a mint price is usually between 0.02 Ethereum and 0.08 Ethereum. And in this case, 0.35 is high. And it's not about the price, it is about the message that it sends. When I see a project have a min price of 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, to me, the message is this is for whales. This is not going to be a community-driven project. And on top of this high price, there was $790,000 worth of Ethereum lost in failed Ethereum transactions. And when I say failed Ethereum transactions, I mean these gas fees were paid and the users that lost this money did not even receive the NFTs. So on top of the 0.35 high price for a mint, they were also allowing people to mint 20 NFTs per transaction. This is also not a good sign. In the past, maybe this was okay, but now in 2021, August of 2021, if I see a project that has a high price per mint, and also they allow one wallet to mint 20, 30, or 50, 100 NFTs, in my eyes, that is not a democratic mint. That is not community driven. That is geared for big names and big players. And when you have those projects that are geared for whales, they don't always do well. Actually, most of the time they don't do well. And right now, Stoner Cats has a floor price of 0.39. This is just a little bit above their original mint price of 0.35. Does not surprise me, but who knows? This is NFT crypto space. Maybe this thing blows up, but we'll have to wait and see. So in terms of these general mints, I like to see that even if they do have a mint, there is a limit per transaction. But with these reservation systems like Dogs Unchained, they typically do have a limit. So with Dogs Unchained, if you were able to reserve, the most you could get is 5 per person, but not everyone will get 5 depending when or how you reserved. Some people will get 3, some people will get 2, some people will get 1. So this is how it's going to happen, I believe, with these reservation systems that want to really create a real community. And I want to show you an example with this project, Cosmic Kids. Nothing special, at least at the moment. I bought it for 0.025 Ethereum. Right now, the floor price is 0.01. But anyways, when I went to mint these NFTs, I was only able to mint 1 at a time. This is what I like to see, a limit, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. But if I see a project that has this high mint price, and also they allow these whales to come in and buy up 100 at a time, I do not like to see that. And this video is focused on Ethereum NFTs, right? This is where all of these problems of gas fees are happening. Yes, there are other blockchains with NFTs with lower fees. However, as I make this video in August of 2021, the action is not there. Maybe you're watching this in the future and we are seeing NFT action on other blockchains. And when it comes to Ethereum and these fees, in my previous video, I did mention that to get involved in the NFT space, it's not going to be risk-free. You can definitely lose money. It'll cost you anywhere from $50 to maybe $200 worth of Ethereum to get started. But I need to put an update on that statement and be a little more specific. I do believe it will take at least $500 to get involved with Ethereum NFTs, because the NFT itself may cost, $100, $200, but there's also many gas fees along the way. So $500, I believe, is kind of the entry point, but more like $1,000 if you really want to, test out the system, because I know a lot of these videos on social media and YouTube are saying, just get involved, just try it out, but often don't look at the risks, right? It will take you money, at least $500, I believe $1,000 to get started in the NFT space on Ethereum, because you will be paying gas fees. You may be buying NFTs that lose their value, right? For example, this Osiris Kids, Cosmic Kids NFT that I bought for 0.025. Floor price right now, 0.01. So there definitely are risks here with Ethereum NFTs. So I want to repeat this again. Not only do you have to check for upcoming projects on Rarity Tools, you must join the community, because moving forward, we will see many of these projects avoid gas wars by having a reservation system, and only those that are actually following in the community will be able to reserve these NFTs. So once you get these NFTs early, the next question is, well, do you sell it or do you hold on to it? Will it increase in value? So if you have not seen my video already on how to determine the demand for an NFT, go ahead and watch this video, link right above and in the description down below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.